Hello, beautiful planner girls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Elaine from Digital Plans, and welcome to another video. We're just going to go ahead and set up for September in my memory planner. So we're just gonna go ahead and choose some kits, the kits that we're going to be using, as well as what else? Our foil, of course, to make things pop. So I do have a couple of things here that I kind of want to keep in mind to select my kits. So I'm gonna be on vacation on the 8th for the whole weekend. It's been such a long time since I go on vacation, you guys. I know I take really quick road trips for a day, but a whole vacation, a whole weekend. I'm so excited to go to the beach and do nothing. I'm just which means that I have to work extra on this week, so I have to, so I have the time free for that. So yeah, but we're gonna have a vacation little kit right here. Then the next weekend is gonna be Mexican Independence Day. I am Mexican. I live in Mexico, if you guys didn't know that. So I do kind of celebrate that. I'm not a big celebrator of things, but we do kind of have the festive food and all of that. So I definitely want to mark that. And I do have the perfect kit for that one, I think. And then the next week we have the start of fall, which is just so nice. I can wait to get pumpkin spice lattes and just, so nice. So I know now that we need here a couple of whatever kits. This can be whatever I want. And then we do have the vacation, the independence, and then the start of fall. So let's go ahead and get started with these ones. For vacation, I kind of have an idea of what I want. Let me go ahead. We're going to go into this week. So this one is going to be my vacation week, and let me show you where I keep. This is going to be perfect for Independence Day, Mexican Independence Day, isn't it? So cute. Anyway, for vacation, it could be this one. This is so cute, but I feel this is more in the river, kind of. I'm going to the beach. I'm so excited. So I want something with beach and pools and things like that. So I thought this would be cute. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? Tranquil by the Planner Shack. And this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be just chilling, reading a book, in the pool, So that is perfect. This is also really gorgeous, to be honest. So yeah, I think it's going to be this one, Tranquil by... Did I miss it? Here we go. By the Planner Shack. That's what we're going to be using. I'm so excited for that. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Let's try to find it in my files so that we can put it here. The Planner Shack. Tranquil. Here we go. These are the PDFs. Oh, I don't have the PNGs, do I? Apparently I don't have the PNG. So I'm going to have to go into Etsy and download those. So let me just really quickly take a screenshot so we can put it here. So pretty, honestly. I don't know why I don't have the PNG files. I just didn't download them, apparently. I will have to do that. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that here. It says the name right here, so I don't have to do that, but I will add a little notation here. To download those because I don't have them. So that I just remember that. And then what are we going to do for foil? I didn't came with a lot of foil for summer, sadly. Maybe, but it's already over, so I don't know if anyone would be interested in that. So we'll come back to that one. The next day I said is Independence Day, and I already have planned. What was that? I think that was Pink Planner Shop, was it? Yes, and it's called Fiesta, yay! So this is exactly what I want. This is perfect for these, and we'll see a foil in a little bit. I'm not too sure about that foil either. The next one we have fall, and let's check the fall kits that I have because I have absolutely no idea. I do have a whole autumn. I put them in autumn. Oh well. We have this one. This one I like because it says Hello Fall and it has some books and stuff. It's really pretty. We have this one, also really pretty. Some deco. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I feel I use this every single year, but I just really love it. I love it. I think I'm gonna go with the first one that we saw. This one, Paper Crown Planner. What is this? Autumn Leaves by Paper Crown Planner. This is perfect. There we go. I have so many by Paper Crown Planner. It's like ridiculous, but it is one of my absolute favorite shops. So there we go. And I do know exactly what foil I want for this. So let's just pop that here. I do have to write that it is Autumn Leaves so that I don't forget. And then I have a two couple. I have two options for this, a two couple apparently. So I can do pumpkin spice or I can do fall leaves, which is the exact same. Oh no, this one is autumn leaves, this one is fall leaves, but like perfectly synchronized. Which would be this kind of style. I think this would be really, really cute. It goes perfectly well with this one. I don't know. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Oh my god. This is so perfect. This is so perfect. I'm going with this one. This is foil, so I'm just gonna write it here. Like a little sticky note. These are from, where are these from? I blanked out. I'll pop them in the screen right now. But we're gonna put here foil. Fall leaves in copper, because that's just gonna go great with this one. Let me resize that really quickly. Okay, so we have our foiled in this one. Oh, I'm still missing another week, aren't I? We can do that like something like this, or you know what, maybe I'll wait and we'll do that next month, because I want to do like a more like a pumpkin spice to use the other foil. This one, the pumpkin spice one. Let me show you real quickly. This one, this sweater weather with all of the pumpkin spice and the coffee related stuff. So I definitely want to use that here. I'm just gonna put this so that I remember. And we can just like maybe buy a kit for that. Why not have a new kit for this for this like month? So this whatever kit was actually last month, so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do these three. We're gonna do vacation, and I have no idea what we want to do with that. Oh, you know what I thought? That we could do birthday with this one of the birthday kits, maybe in rose gold. Let me just check, because we won't be using this one, right? The happy birthday, because it's nobody's birthday. But we can use these like celebrating ones. That's cute. Do we have another color? We do, right? That was rose gold. Oh, thanks. My favorite mashup. That's so nice. Oh, I get like so chilly when some of my favorite something. Okay. We do have rose gold. We have champagne lights, which is so pretty, but I definitely want to save these for like, I don't know, something special, because I just love these colors so much. I mean, they look cute. This girl is making me cry. Oh, thanks. New memory planners will come for next year. I'm already working on them, so hopefully in the next weeks you will be able to get those. And I do have some like new stuff in them that I feel like is going to make these so much easier to plan with. Anyways, I feel like we need to get another color of that, maybe gold. So I'm gonna make that in gold, and I'll put that also in the shop if you guys are interested. So foil, we're gonna do gold. What? We're gonna do gold birthday. So that's going to be our foil, and I'm just gonna make it in gold so that it'll pop a little bit more, even though these are really cute. We're just missing this one. What are we gonna do for these? Oh, it's so beautiful and like so delicate. I feel like a little bit more like minimalistic with all of the blues, and it's just so pretty. But I don't know what I want to do. Let's see. Oh, crystals would be cute, but not in the colors that I have them. We'll see. Butterflies. We can just do both. Shouldn't we just do... Oh, no, guys. We're gonna do locks. We are doing locks. Let's see. Oh, my God. I am so... Oh, my God. This is gonna look so cute, you guys. This is gonna look so cute. Oh, my God. I'm dying. Look at that. Yes, you guys, I just got so excited, but this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Oh my god. I might do like another foil in the locks, like just like new designs to have. Oh my god, that looks way too cute. Oh my god. And like even the tall box, this girl is so gorgeous. I'm not gonna look that pretty in vacation, but you know. Oh my god. Okay, let's do these. We can just like crop these, and I'm already like planning, but just how cute is this? So cute. Oh my god, I'm dying. This is perfect. This is perfect. So we're gonna do this. Absolutely, we're gonna do this. So our foil is going to be what is happening? Our foil is going to be locks in silver. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is just like absolute perfection, you guys. To be honest, like this looks so cute. Look at that. Okay, so we have our 3 weeks, don't we? I'm so excited. We have our vacation week, which is going to be this one. It's been such a long time since I've been wanting to use this. Like I got this like a real long time ago, especially like saying if I ever go on vacation again, I'm gonna use it. So I'm super excited to use this kit, and I think with the locks it just looks so beautiful. Like they were made for each other. So cute. We have our Independence Day here in Mexico, so I'm gonna use these, and I'm gonna create the birthday in the gold foil. I feel like I should create like a celebrate foil. What do you guys think? Just like for like anything, but I feel like the birthday will look cute. Just like cutting them. Where is it? Okay, just like cut. Oh, can we do rainbow? Can we do rainbow, you guys? Is this appropriate? I don't know. Okay, let me check if we can do rainbow. Maybe we can do rainbow. Where would I put this? Like here. Trust me, you can dance. Tequila. Yeah. This is kind of cute. What did I do? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. This is kind of cute with the... Oh my god. I feel like we can do the rainbow. Why didn't I thought of this before? We're gonna do rainbow, you guys. Do we? Is it too little, too much? I definitely feel like something in gold. Let's just like put something gold. It doesn't matter what, just like see if we like it. Let's just do the bows. Gold frames. There we go. Let's just, yeah, you know, see how the gold just pops way more. So we definitely need to create that in gold. I thought that this would look cute, and it kind of does, but I wanted to pop even more, and I feel like this is already like pretty festive and rainbowy, so that doesn't work. So yeah, we're just gonna make the foil in gold, and I'll also add it to the shop again so that you can get it if you want to use it as well. I feel like nobody's gonna do Mexican Independence Day but me. But it doesn't matter, okay? You can use the gold for like birthdays, any other celebration. You know, you have a kit that goes with it. Like you can use it. Oh, this is gonna be our first fall. I'm so excited for fall. So excited. And the leaves in copper is gonna be perfect because we have like all of these leaves, and it's like very coppery. What is this? Like really deep, dark colors. I love them. I just really love this kit, and I use it over and over. And I will use it forever. I just love it. And I love that with, again, digital planning, you can use the kit every single year. Just add a different foil, arrange your boxes in a different way, and it's gonna be fine. Like, it's gonna be still fun to like, and exciting to like use, you know? And then this next one we don't have. It's gonna be sweater weather. I need to go and find something, and I'll let you know, like, I guess in the next kit lineup for like October, we're gonna do that. So I'm also really excited for October because we're gonna get into the Halloween stuff. Which if you watch my other video, you know that I already posted the Halloween foils in silver, gold, and purple, and I am just obsessed with these ones, and I am ready to use them. Like, I can't wait to use these. You can already get them on the shop so that you're like ready, like I am. Like, I'm ready. So yeah, thank you so much for, oh, that was loud. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful planet girls, and I'll see you on my next video, hopefully a plan with me. Bye.